Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical outdoor solar lights for the yard, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from outdoor solar lights for yards, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor solar lights for yards from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Balhvit Glass Solar Lights Outdoor Lighting for Yard. Elevate your outdoor ambience with Balhvit Glass Solar Lights, designed to illuminate your yard with crystal clear brightness. Crafted from premium glass and stainless steel, these lights are built to withstand extreme weather, ensuring longevity and durability. The high-capacity rechargeable battery guarantees extended lighting hours, while the larger solar panels ensure fast charging. With hassle-free installation and automatic on-off functionality, these lights provide convenience and flexibility. Featuring a sleek design and 10 lumens of brightness, they add a touch of glamour to your patio, lawn, or garden. Waterproof and resistant to rust, these lights offer worry-free outdoor use year-round. Whether you're enhancing your garden, pathway, or patio, Balhvit Glass Solar Lights are the perfect choice for illuminating your outdoor space. With our dedication to customer satisfaction and quality products, backed by a full satisfaction promise, you can trust in our commitment to providing you with the best lighting solution for your outdoor needs. Number 2. GIGALUMI Solar Lights Outdoor Waterproof. Enhance your outdoor oasis with GIGALUMI Solar Lights Outdoor Waterproof. Designed to captivate with their unique water ripple pattern, these lights add charm to your garden, pathway, or patio. Enjoy hassle-free illumination for up to 12 hours after just 6-8 hours of solar charging. With upgraded solar panels and high-power LED lamp beads, they offer efficient brightness even in low-light conditions. Built to withstand all weather conditions, these durable lights provide reliable performance year-round. Easy installation means you can enjoy their beauty in minutes, making them perfect for festivals, holidays, or everyday garden decor. With a premium warranty and customer satisfaction guarantee, GIGALUMI stands behind the quality of their lights. Treat yourself or your loved ones to the gift of enchanting garden illumination. Transform your outdoor space into a magical retreat with GIGALUMI Solar Lights. Number 3. LETMY Solar Pathway Lights Outdoor Lighting for Yard. Illuminate your outdoor space with LETMY Solar Pathway Lights. Featuring upgraded filament LED bulbs, these lights emit a warm and romantic glow, perfect for enhancing the ambience of your yard. With an upgraded solar panel and rechargeable NiMH battery, they provide clear illumination for up to 8-12 hours. The lights automatically switch on at dusk and off at dawn, saving energy and adding a charming touch to your outdoor decor. Constructed with IP65 waterproof material, they withstand all weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability. Easy to install with no additional tools required. These lights are suitable for gardens, lawns, pathways, and more. Create a welcoming atmosphere for evening strolls with friends and family. Backed by a 60-day replacement or refund warranty, LETMY prioritizes customer satisfaction. Upgrade your outdoor lighting with LETMY Solar Pathway Lights and enjoy a warm and inviting atmosphere in your yard. Number 4. XMCOSY Plus Outdoor Solar Lights Waterproof. Illuminate your outdoor space with XMCOSY Plus Outdoor Solar Lights Waterproof. Featuring a ZO55W polycrystalline solar panel and a large-capacity 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, these lights automatically turn on at night, offering eco-friendly and energy-saving illumination for up to 16 hours. With a unique LED tungsten filament and bronze-finished stainless steel body, they provide a warm 360 radial ambient lighting effect and create a stunning star pattern on the ground. With a brightness mode adjustment, they offer flexibility to suit your needs and usage, lasting up to 30,000 hours. Constructed from anti-rust coated stainless steel and upgraded ABS plastic, they withstand all weather conditions, ensuring reliability in rain, snow, or storms. Easy to install with no wiring required, these lights add visual harmony to your garden, pathway, or patio, making them an ideal gift for any occasion. Illuminate your outdoor oasis with XMCOSY Plus solar lights and create a magical atmosphere in your outdoor space. Number 5. Linkind Solar Pathway Lights 8-Pack. Solar Lights Outdoor. Enhance your outdoor ambience with Linkind Solar Pathway Lights 8-Pack. These solar-powered lights feature an automatic on-off function, turning on at night and off at dawn, conserving energy and providing convenience. With a unique planet-like design, they emit beautiful shadows, adding charm to your garden or pathway. Producing up to 200 lm brightness, these lights illuminate a wide area, perfect for decorating gardens, landscapes, or driveways. Installation is a breeze with adjustable heights, allowing you to customize the lighting according to your preferences. Crafted from high-quality ABS material and designed with IP54 waterproofing, these lights withstand all weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability. Elevate your outdoor space with the warm white glow of Linkind Solar Pathway Lights, creating a welcoming atmosphere for your guests and adding visual appeal to your outdoor landscape. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.